Hello everybody, मैं हूँ याचना गुलाटी, numerologist and tarot card reader, and I welcome you all to my channel. Thank you so much for showing so much love and acknowledgement to my last video. So जो भी लोग weekly reading का wait कर रहे हैं, I would like to tell them that weekly reading will be available on my Instagram channel. So do check out my Instagram handle. It is written in the description box below. So today we have come with a very different and a very important video for you all. So before we start the video, I'm gonna ask you some things. Have you ever thought about that you feel very happy when you are in a particular environment? या हम किसी भी तरह का कोई अलग सा गाना सुनते हैं तो हम एकदम से हमारा मूड खुश हो जाता है, हम इतने खुश हो जाते हैं, हम बहुत cheerful feel करते हैं. Or when at times when we are singing and we're dancing, why do we clap? What's with the concept of clapping? Okay, and whenever we are happy, we sing, we dance, we celebrate. So what's the one thing which is common in all of these activities which I have said? Yes, there is happiness, there is joy, there is positivity, but what brings that positivity? That is the sound. So today's video is about sound therapy. What exactly is sound therapy? Specifically, I will show you one such technique of sound therapy that is an ancient old technique but still highly recommended and highly useful to bring that balance of mind, body and soul. Sound therapy is how you react to the vibrations, to the frequencies and to the energies, and how those energies and vibrations are used to heal a human body or anybody on this planet physically, mentally and spiritually. So what they do is, in the sound therapy, they actually use harmonic vibrations. They use some frequencies that really help us from within. Like when you have heard the sound of Om, that Om has a vibration, that Om has a frequency that helps you to heal, to let go of that blockages. Do you guys know that a human body actually oscillates between 5 different frequencies in their lifetime and in their day? That's alpha, beta, theta, delta and gamma. So alpha is that frequency जब हम बहुत relaxed होते हैं, maybe after a power nap, or when we are in a calming environment, when we are listening to something that is really soothing, when we are actually relaxed and calm. That is the alpha frequency. The beta frequency is 95% of the time a human person is actually in the beta frequency. That is when the mind is active, in the conscious self. सुबह से लेकर रात तक हम अपनी बीटा फ्रिक्वेंसी में होते हैं, जहाँ पे हमारा लॉजिकल माइंड काम कर रहा है, हम सोच रहे हैं, हम डिसीजंस ले रहे हैं. सो दैट बीटा फ्रिक्वेंसीज मेक्स अस अलाइव. That beta frequencies makes us anxious, overstressed, overthink, but it also gives you life. Then we have the delta frequency. Delta frequency is when we are sleeping, when the mind is rejuvenating, when the mind is energizing itself. Then we have the theta frequency. Theta frequency is very difficult to achieve, but yes, it can be possible. And that theta frequency is possible by the therapies. Theta frequency is when we can control our mind as per our own wish and will. We control our mind to react in a certain manner. We control our mind to do certain things. And then lastly we have the gamma frequency. Gamma frequency, not everybody oscillate in the gamma frequency. Gamma frequency is achieved for monks who meditate day and night, for very big healers and psychic readers, those who are connected very much to their spiritual self, those who are connected very much to the divine powers. So have you ever thought of that we generally in a day, we are surrounded with lots of people, we are surrounded with lots of gadgets, and those people and those gadgets, those electronic devices, those things that we are around, they drain our energy. Although we sleep at night, but do you really think that energizes us? No. Even when we get up in the morning, we don't feel fresh. We don't feel our mind is open. We don't feel we are happy. We don't feel we are blessed. It's because although our physical rest is completed, but we actually need some recharging. Just like we charge our mobile phones, we actually need recharging. And for that, the therapy comes in hand. So today, this sound therapy, the one technique that I will share you, is gonna help you in your daily life, day and night. In the ancient times, the sound therapy was actually done by clappings or by singing or by dancing, and also sound therapy was done by the Tibetan or what you call the singing bowls. And the singing bowls are actually quite famous now also and highly recommended. So a singing bowl is actually made out of metal, and this metal is a composition of 7 metals and they are made in an oval shape. You will see that a singing bowl has multiple inscription. कुछ ना कुछ लिखा होता है इनके ऊपर. These are actually some positive prayers that really helps in giving out that positive vibrations. So to use a singing bowl, it's very easy, and there are particular things जो आपको ध्यान रखनी होती है in order to use a singing bowl. So you will see that singing bowls actually come in lot of different sizes. They're small size, medium, large. There are even larger singing bowls than these sizes also. So जितना बड़ा singing bowl होगा उतनी ही ज़्यादा उसकी frequency होगी, उतनी ज़्यादा उसकी आवाज़ होगी, उतनी ज़्यादा उसकी sound होगी. So how you can use it? The best way to use a singing bowl is to keep it in your palm. Keep it in your palm and closer to your solar plexus chakra. And here we have a handle. This handle is actually in a wooden form because wooden से उसकी sound frequency को amplify करना बहुत easy होता है. And it actually gives a very beautiful sound. So the best way to hold it is like this. आपको अपनी फिंगर्स नहीं टच करनी होती सिंगिंग बोल को. You just keep it on the palm and you strike this. So whenever you are starting to meditate, or once you get up in the morning, make this as a part of your morning routine. Just take a singing bowl in your hand or place it anywhere on your body where you feel the pain. जहाँ पे भी आपको physical pain feel हो रहा है, आप वहाँ पे इसको रख सकते हैं and just strike it. The best part to strike it is in the middle, जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा voice आती है. And that voice actually oscillate in the entire area, giving it a very calming feel to your body. The next thing is how to make it singing. How to make it sing actually. So once you strike it with equal pressure, rotate your hand completely. inside the bowl. This actually makes the sound go inside, the energy go inside. If you cannot hold it in your hand for so long, you can also keep it on a hard surface and do the same thing. Let me show you with a bigger singing bowl also. Using the same mallet. Applying equal pressure on all the sides. Singing bowls actually have multiple uses. They not only work on one side of the brain, they actually helps to release the stress and anxiety from both sides of the brain. So they affect you physically, they affect you mentally, and they also affect you spiritually. Physically, they help you to ease off any kind of muscle pain, any kind of joint pain. कहीं पे भी अगर आपको पेन हो रहा है, muscle pain, joint pain, just keep this singing bowl onto that area and vibrate it. Vibrate it or let it sink with the vibrations of this metal. The next, it also helps in blood circulation. They help in increasing our immunity and also help in digestive problems or people who are going through a lot of digestive issues, because the vibrations of this cleanse our chakra. Mentally, the singing bowls help you to regain that self-confidence. It helps to boost away any kind of unwanted energies. They helps to release the toxins. They helps to release stress, anxiety, and also give in a lot of positive vibrations. They give you a sense of confidence, courage, strength. And spiritually, the singing bowls help to cleanse away any kind of unwanted energy that is surrounding your aura. It helps in cleansing your chakras. It helps also in the healing emotionally, healing mentally, healing physically. The vibration from the singing bowls actually resonate with our mental, physical, and the spiritual self. It helps to activate those cells which we have suppressed or which are suppressed due to stress, which are suppressed due to overthinking due to anxiety issues, and also lot of physical pains. So these singing bowls actually have multiple uses and you can use them in your daily life. Make this as a part of your morning routine. Whenever you get up, before you start your day, just do a 5-minute meditation by striking the singing bowl, meditating, and then ending your meditation with these singing bowls. Energize your house, energize your room, energize your relationship with the positive vibrations which the singing bowls send. I hope this video brings in a lot of positivity and a lot of information to you all. Thank you so much all for watching my video on the sound therapy and on specifically on the singing bowl techniques. I hope they are useful and it answers a lot of your questions. You still have any questions or concern, just put down in the comment section below, and you can also DM me on my Facebook or my Instagram channel. Just in case you want to order a singing bowl from my profile, you can do so. I have a lot of collection of singing bowls as you can see here, and it can be delivered at your doorstep. Do like, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Love and love from there.